Welcome to all. Last class we considered pin jointed plane frames with two hinged support by method of sections. Long back by method of joints already over. Now today two simple questions, simple and easy questions for pin jointed plane frames. Pin jointed plane frames with two hinged support. Further you can write condition. Only one member connected to one of the hinges. See, this is a hinge actually. See later. See, even though they give like this, later see like this. And no member connecting the two hinges. So therefore remember, this is not a member. See, these two questions are identical questions. See, common answer. Or these two questions are same as the two questions we solved in the previous class by method of sections or long back by method of joints. First I considered many loads. See here, load here, load here, load here, full one load here, full of forces or loads or forces. But usually sometime examination point of view, simple load will be given. So last time questions are little more number of forces, not little lengthy or not lengthy, more number of forces, here less number of forces. And last class, see, this member was this way and this member was this way. That is not a problem. So slight change I made. Now, these are the two questions today. 45, 46. See, 45 here, 46 here. 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, this is S. 4, 3, 3. For both questions, see what you have to do. Find axial forces in the members. See, CE, this member, CD and DB, one question. Second question, CA, BC and BD, both the questions. Actually, this question is, if I turn this way by 90 degrees anti-clockwise, this will become same as this member. Okay. Now, note, class. Once again, you can write some note. Two hinged support. Each, see, before that 1 minute, see. It suddenly looks like a fixed support here. No. In pin jointed plane frame, that fixed support, where you mark what? Reacting force and also reacting moment. No. That is for bending case, beams. So in pin jointed plane frames, they are showing like this. Means some surface here. Remember, these A and B are actually pin joint, see, or pinned support, hinged support. And this is not a member. Very important. This is not a member. See, and again see, to one of the hinges, only one member connected. Next question also same thing. See, one of the hinges, here, one of the hinges, only one member connected. Now you go through earlier long back in method of joints. I thoroughly explained the principle of these two pin jointed plane frames with the two hinged support with only one member connected to one of the hinges and no member connecting the two hinges. How to solve method? I first gave introduction. Then I explained method of joint. There only I told, when you go to method of sections, same principle. Only thing is what? Usually method of section, when you consider a section, you can look either side. But this time, you should look the other side, where supports are not there. Because no need of finding support reactions. This I told. When two hinged support given, you need not find support reaction. Somebody will tell, sir, we cannot find also. No, you can find because this support has only one reaction. Even though hinged support, the reaction is along the member. See here, reaction is along member. If you take other reaction, it becomes zero. So it is actually not indeterminate. It looks like indeterminate externally, but actually determinate. Okay, that all I told earlier. How many times I have to tell? Okay, now start. See, when you come to these questions, you should have studied all the previous questions. Then this much talking also not required. Today's class, little short class. So, a lot of commitment for me earlier. So, these two questions are finished now. Okay. Note, class, support reaction not required. And one more thing, brief solution. I told brief here, but almost wrote everything, what to do. I actually wrote, I first thought, brief solution. Then, when I am writing here, I almost wrote everything. Okay, see, start now, first. See. First question number 45. Two questions are there. See here, this is common for both. Find for both questions, this is common. First question, find axial forces in CE, CD and BD. CE, CD and BD by method of section. See, put a neat sketch here. I told you, this sketch is, this sketch what you write is reference for method of sections. And here, show the pin. Don't show fixed support here. It is not fixed actually. Okay, then start. Which one they want? See. CE, CD and BD. Okay, therefore, these three members apply a cut. This way. Okay. Anyway, you can cut like this also. This is for show, not show. Okay. XX. Consider section XX cutting the above three members. Class, reactions we are not finding. Since reaction you are not finding, you should not look this way. Make a note here. If you look this way, you require reaction. Therefore, we will consider the equilibrium frame to upper side of XX. Upper side, see here. E intact, D intact. From D, see, little here, from here little portion, here little portion. See, this portion I wrote here, this one I wrote here, this one here. Then, see, for this portion, force for EC, force for CD. Which side is CD? Oh, see. Oh yes, force for what? See, when you cut here, that side you are considering. Which side you are not considering, from that side, mark the forces. See, equilibrium force, this one. Force, always take outgoing. This I will not explain. Limit for explaining. Okay, see. Force for EC, force for DC, force for DB. Okay, over. No inclined member, see. Two are vertical member, one horizontal. This member is not required. So, no angle, nothing. Now, simple. Sigma m about D equal to 0. See, D equal to 0. Why D? I told so many times for you. Among the three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting at D. So, that's why D, question mark. See, here question mark means what? You should write the reason why I took moment about D. So, if I take moment about D, moment of these two are 0. So, minus PEC into 3 plus 36 into 3 equal to 0. Your PEC will come plus 36 kilonewton. Now, mechanical. Sigma V0, take upward positive. See, now remember, we got the value of PEC. Tick mark, pencil mark. Minus PDB, minus PEC, that's all, nothing else, equal to 0. Substitute which one? Substitute PEC, whatever you got there. Simplify, you will get PDB minus 36. Sigma H0, right side positive, see here. Minus PDC plus 36. That's all. Equal to 0, equal to 0. You get PDC plus 36 over. Therefore, I told so many times, if you get plus for that member, axial force is tension. If you get minus, for that force is axial force is compression. In both the cases, without sign. Okay, start. Result. Therefore, axial force in CE 36 plus 36 tension. Axial force in CD here 36 tension kilonewton. Axial force in BD 36 compression. 1 minute. I wrote here. Both these questions are earlier considered in Engineering Mechanics class 342, part 5, lecture 25, question 28, 29. This is earlier question 28. Don't see, cut it. This is earlier question 29. So actually those questions there are exercises. Why? Before that one, a lengthy question was solved. In a single class I told directly problem with answer. Those who tried sincerely, beautifully will get the answer. Therefore, check the answer now. PCE, 36 tension. Oh yes. PCD, 36 tension. Yes. PBD, 36 compression. Yes. Over. Perfectly tallying. Now, second question. Calculation of axial forces in members. Which one? Now see. Now, those who want to understand thoroughly, when you start second question, before that, you put this sketch once again. Remove this one. See, you have tried. See, otherwise confusion will come. See, if you take same one more section, sometimes one section you take this way, one you take this way, overlap will be there. So, whenever you take a section, one sketch before that one. See, before you start here, put this sketch once again. Okay. Fresh calculation. Which one? AC, BC, BD. AC, BC, BD. Oh, cut like this. Over. XX. Consider the equilibrium to upper side. Lower side you should not see. Why? Reactions are not calculated. See. ECD intact. ECD intact. This is 3 meter. This is also 3 meter. Then see here. Here. This side. That side you consider. This side forces acting externally. P for CA, P for CB, P for DB. Mark there. Now, you can see here, one force is inclined here. For that you require angle theta. Do one thing. Come here. You mark the angle as theta here. Then, theta, where I wrote? How much is theta? This is 4 meters. See, you should write something. I think forgot one thing. You should enter the dimensions here. So come here. Usually practice. See, this is a reference for method of sections. Okay. You should always write. See, I forgot enter here. This is 4 meter. No, this is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 4 meter. And this is 3 meter. Enter here. 3 meter. Now, tell the answer. Actually, I wrote here by seeing that question. No, write this way. Now, tan theta equal to, this is 4, this is 3, 4 by 3, you will get theta will come 53.13 degrees. I will put question mark, 13 degrees, question mark. Means you write and get the answer. Okay, over. Now, among the 3 unknown forces, 2 unknowns are meeting at the point C. So once again, now here, moment about C. If you take moment about C, PCA into 0, PCB into 0, then PDB into 3 clockwise plus 36 also into 3 clockwise equal to 0. Substitute PDB will become minus 36 kilonewton. Just checking camera. Okay, visible. Visible, no problem. Minus 36 kilonewton. Okay, then sigma V0 take upward positive. See, now PDB is over. See, PDB over. Minus PCA minus PCB sine of this angle minus PDB. That's all. Nothing is there. Equal to 0. Remember, PDB is already known, but still 2 unknowns are there. So, equation number 1. Sigma H equal to 0. See here. Plus PCB cos theta plus 36 equal to 0. You will get PCB, substitute here, minus 60 kilonewton. Now, once you get PC minus 60, you substitute here in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. These two are known. If you got minus, substitute minus only here. Your PCA will come plus 84 kilonewton. I already calculated. Why? First of all, I thought, let me give the question with the direct answer. Then I decided, no. Every day if I do lengthy problems, short problem also I should explain. Okay. Now, Therefore, final answer, axial force in AC. Where is AC? Here. AC is here. 84 tension. Yes. 84 tension. Not, no, sorry. You should not see that. Axial force in AC. See there. 8 plus 84. 84 tension. Axial force in BC. BC. Minus 60 is there. 60 compression. Axial force in BD. Minus 36. 36 compression. Now do one thing. Old class, check the answer. AC, 84 tension, correct. BC, 60 compression, correct. One more is what? BD, 36 compression. Yes, see here. Perfectly correct. With this one, your question number 45 is completely over. Now I will solve question number 46. Again, nothing is there, same question, turned this way. So turned this way, therefore, actually you can do. Usually in the class, student will tell, sir, we will do, sir, no problem. Correct, but here nobody is telling me we will do. See, so far not a comment came. So there's such comments I am waiting. You sometimes solve questions with much loads, little very difficulties there, and easy questions you give. Actually, you can leave the easy questions. We can do ourselves only. So we are also learning. So if you tell the principle and when you understand everything, you can do one thing. You should write. Easy question, leave for us. We will solve. I will be very happy. Nobody wrote like that. Not a single comment came so far. That what? Easy question, we can solve. But in the classroom solve, people will tell, sir, that we will do it. And usually 90% will do. And the 10% are irreparable. You cannot do anything. They are not interested in studies. So usually in my class, more than 90% they respond properly. It's a good response. Some colleges they will tell, not even 10% are responding. Okay, that is, it changes. Okay, now I will solve question 46. Okay. Start now. I decided to solve in front of you only. I first thought, let me write. No, one question in front of you. Okay. But that much I wrote. Start. See, this question is given here. Now I wrote reference for method of sections here. It neatly, see, they are given, see, make a note. If a member is given this way, it means what? It is this way only, hinge. That is, even just like this given me same meaning. Okay, see. Hinge, see, etc. all same. Okay, start same. Frame with the two hinged support. Oh, sorry. See, there is no member here. If member is here, it is become internally indeterminate for general, but for me, determinate. Reason is there, don't worry. Don't worry about those things all. See, start. Class, once again brief solution. But I will write calculation of axial forces in members, which one? CE, this one, CD, this one, and BD, this member. See. XX. Okay. Consider section XX, cutting the above three members. See. Above three members cut. Actually, this pen, red color, slightly fading. I use other color. Okay. So that little dark required. Okay, now correct. Now dark. See. Yes. Cut. XX. I should have done last time only. Okay, no problem. As long as you see what I write, this decoration does not matter. Okay, now. Consider section XX cutting above three members. Consider the equilibrium to, see, right side, not this side. If you look this side, reaction will come. This is all I told for you. So you should look to right side. Right side of XX. See here. When you look right side, E intact, D intact. This member will remain same. Then see, but this member comes up to here, stops. comes up to here, stops. Comes here, stops. See where from E comes here, stops, but continues to C. See, that's all. See, that's all you require. See, this member from here came up to here. From where it came? E it came. Stopped here. Where it want to go? C. From E to C it want to go. That's all. See, PEC. That is the core principle. This member, see, from when you look this, when you cut and what? From, sorry, here. When you look left side, you are, see, we are considering which side? You are considering equilibrium to right side. Means this way, see. Here, D up to here it will come. Member stopped. From D it came up to here. It want to go to C. So force for DC. That's all. P for DC. DC. Okay, little this side. P for DC. Then this member from D it came, going to B. So PDB. PDB. Okay, now start. Right here. Among the three unknowns, see, two unknowns are meeting at D. So sigma m about D equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Question mark. Why D? You should write it. Question is not wrong. I am asking you, you write the reason. Okay, start. Minus PEC, unknown value, minus PEC into 3 plus 36 also into 3, 36 also into 3 equal to 0. Therefore, your PEC will come minus 36 kilonewton. Okay. Then, clockwise positive. Go that side. Clockwise positive. Okay. You are disturbing. Sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. See here now. Plus PDC. Here. Plus PDC. These are not there. Minus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, your PDC equal to plus 36 kilonewton. Okay. Then, sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. Minus unknown first. See now, whichever PEC over PDC over. Unknown is PDB now. Minus PDB minus PEC. Then that's all. No other load. Equal to 0. Substitute for PEC whatever you got there. See, I'll put right mark. If I tell right, this means PEC substitute whatever you got with that sign. Therefore, your PDB, see, minus of minus become plus. That side minus. Minus minus cancels. It becomes plus. Plus 36 kilonewton. Okay, over. Now, result. Same answer. Why? Because I know it. Axial force in CE. CE. What happened? Oh, sorry. One minute. See. But see, actually calculation wrong. Minus PEC into 3 plus 36 into 3 is 0 means PEC will come plus 36, not minus. See. I can, because I didn't see that minus sign. I did not see this minus sign here. Okay. I can make out. See. I told you. If something goes wrong, I can make out immediately. It will come plus 36. So, here substitute plus 36 over. Axial force in CE, plus 36. 36 tension. Axial force in DC, plus 36. 36 tension. Axial force in DB, plus. Then if that is plus here, this will become minus. Okay, see. That's why happened. Minus 36 will come. Because why? Minus PDB minus of 36 is what? Minus 36 becomes plus 36 minus high school mathematics. Okay. PDB will come minus 36 kilonewton. So axial force for DB is 36 compression. Perfectly tallying. See here. Same answer here also. Next. Calculation of axial forces in members. Which one? AC. See, what you do is, those who are sincere, you should do one thing. This sketch you write once again. The reference sketch you write once again. There. Before you start, you write this one. Now, see. AC. you treat this as independent question. AC, BC, where is BC here? BC and BD. Oh, then XX. Consider section XX, cutting above 3 members. Consider the equilibrium to right side. Why right side? Because left side, if you see, what will happen? Reactions are required to right side. This also repeatedly I told. Okay. Now, C, E, D, they are intact. See? C, E, D, they are intact. Load, extra, everything is over. Then, from C, one member is going towards A here after cut. See? It's a cut XX. One force here, unknown force. Take away. P, C to A. C, A. Come up to here. P, C to B. P, DB. DB. I should have used that color earlier only. This was little faint. Adjust it now. I can't change the class now. Now, oh, one of the unknown is inclined. You require this angle, theta. Get the value of theta. See, mark here that theta is this theta. See, or see here, tan theta equal to 3 divided by 4. Therefore, you show the calculation and get theta equal to 36.87 degrees. Show the calculation. Okay. Therefore, you can write here, this angle is 36.87 degrees. Okay. Now, among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting at the point C. See here, see here, C. So, take moment about C. Start. X, go that side. Sigma m about C equal to 0, clockwise positive. See here now. PDB into 3 plus PDB into 3, this into 0, then again plus PDB into 3 plus 36 into 3 equal to 0. Calculate not required. Your PDB will come. Why you want calculator? Minus 36 kilonewton. Minus 36 kilonewton. Then sigma V0. Upward positive. See here. These two are not there. This is CA. Okay. These two are not there. Minus PCB. Minus PCB. Sin 36.87. Sin 36.87 minus 36.87 minus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, your PCB will come calculator is not on. 60 kilonewton. How 60? Minus 60 will come. Minus 60 over. Then sigma h equal to 0. Take right side positive. See, now by this time PDB is known, PCB known, only unknown is PCA. So start from there. Minus PCA minus PCB into cos 36.87 minus PDB equal to 0. That's all. Substitute whatever PDB you got there, substitute whatever PCB you got there. Therefore, we get the value of PCA. It will come minus of minus 36. Minus of minus is plus, correct? How much PCB you got? PCB got 60. PCB 60, huh? PCB. Where is CB got up all here? There is no CB, sorry. There is no CB. CB is there? Yes. CB is BC, 60 compression. Minus. This is minus, this also minus. Okay. What do you want to get now? You get the value of PCA. See here. minus PCB. What is PCB? Minus of 84. 84, where it came? No, we want to get PAC means PCB is what? PCB, where is PCB? Minus 60, okay. Something wrong here, 1 minute. PCB, 1 minute, minus 64 is plus 64. 64 into 0.8, that is 51.2 plus speed. No, there is something wrong. I can make out something wrong here. 84 is correct, that is guaranteed. 1 minute. Some small mistake is there. PDB into 3, see, PDB into 3 plus 36 into 3, 0, PDB correct, minus 36. Sigma B 0, minus PCB sin 36.87, minus 36 equal to 0, PCB will come 36 divided by 0.6 is minus 60 kilonewton, that also correct. Sigma H 0, minus PCA occur, minus PCB cos 36.87, minus PDB equal to 0. Substitute PCA minus is plus 60. There is something wrong here. I don't know what is wrong, Anisha. Minus is plus 60. Minus PCA is PCA. Where is PCA? You are calculating. Okay. Minus PCB. Minus PCB is minus 60. Minus is 60. 60 into 0.8 minus of, PDB came minus. Correct. PDB came minus of minus 36. 84. See, I was wondering because when I calculate here, I am getting, see, I'll tell you what happened. When I calculated this term, I got 60 into 0.8. 48. But I have to get 84 answer. 48, then minus is there here. No, it has got one more minus there. See, I am not in panic. See, actually today Sunday, hectic classes were there. I told yesterday, lot of classes are there. I took some break and then I started feeling lot of tiredness. So therefore, see, I did not see that minus value there. I was wondering, I got already 48 here. I should go to 84. I know the answer. I should go to 84. But how it is reducing? But not reducing, it is minus is there. Okay, no problem. So it equals so much, then plus, how much it is? 36 equal to 84. See, plus 84 came? Yes, plus 84 means it is what? Plus 84. Okay, no problem. See, I am also a human being. Such things happen. But technically, there is not a single technical mistake. Okay, now, lastly answer. Therefore, axial force in AC, where is AC? Plus 84 tension. Axial force in, next they want which one? BC is here. CB, BC both are same. Minus 60 compression. Axial force in, last one is BD. BD is DB or BD. Okay, DB or BD. Minus 36 compression. Now do one thing. See the answer here. Yes. What we got long back, perfectly tallying. Therefore, tell yes. Over. That's all today because I told reason, hectic activities. So, next class, I'll go for question number 47. This is 46. 47, where little more work is there. A very important question. 47 and 48 are the last two questions right now for method of joints. Method of sections. Then I'll go for some questions where exam they will tell solve by method of joints and verify your result by method of sections. I will tell questions. Then marathon exercises. The moment it is over, we are changing over to strength of materials. Okay. Next class we will meet. Thank you.